Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete old ticket or pass from Apple Wallet. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your phone. You will see all cards, tickets and passes. Swipe left or right to find the old tickets or pass you want to remove. Tap on the ticket or pass you want to delete. Now look for the three dot in the top right corner. Tap the three dot to open the pass detail. Scroll down on the detail page, then tap remove pass. When asked for the confirmation, tap confirm again. This pass is now deleted from your Apple Wallet. To avoid this in the future, you can turn on automatically removal. For that, go to the setting on your iPhone and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Turn on hide expired passes. This will automatically hide old tickets after they expire. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.